Hello guys, good morning. Ito na naman si ang Mami ay ninyo.
Ayan guys,
dumating sa El Paso. We stayed in the Ramada Hotel. So tara guys, samahan nyo kami sa
adventure namin sa El Paso.
Adventure sa El Paso ulit.
Me plus you, I'ma tell you one time. I'ma tell you one time.
Of course, before that, we have to say goodbye to Lollipop. That's what they call it. Si Lollipop.
Thanks for the hug, honey.
Bella is saying bye. So the next day, and of course, we have a long drive. So ito na nga yung hotel na tinitiran. No, not tinitiran. Grabe. Ako bang pagmamayari dyan? Char. I mean, ito yung nag-decide kami. Dito kami mag-stay the night. So we're supposed to stay three days, but we decide after the breakfast, of course. This is a breakfast time. It's a morning. So
we're going to get our
breakfast area.
Breakfast.
It's kinda unique kasi it's like a ano lang siya, parang apartment
right here.
Nice naman kasi paglabas mo sa room mo, marami siyang yung mga para siyang playground or anything that you can see. Hello guys, good morning. Ayun na sa Mami Ani yung kapag walang bagong gising, so nagpapas kami na sa diba? Siyempre lagyan natin ng konting a little bit filtered kasi nga walang makeup si Mami Ani. But anyway, yan talagang Charot. Ayan, kumuha kami ng kape, hindi talaga mawala ng kape, no? Siyempre, first thing in the morning that you wake up is coffee talaga. Gusto ko. Tapos, ayan, ang anak ko kumuha din ng cereal. Anyway, it's a long drive that the other day, I think we arrived in the Paso. It's around 3 o'clock in the morning. So, it's very tiring driving. Then, we are switching driving me and my husband. But the next morning, ito na ngayon bumili sa amin ng mga pagkain, yung breakfast. Talagang, alam mo yun, bibili ka sa labas, yun yung siniserve mo na hindi lang siya tinapay or cereal or pancake. They have really a good meal breakfast.
Look, arrived here in Phoenix, Arizona.
Anyway, ito naman, dito naman sila. Stop by kami sa park.
Alam mo yan, di ba?
Needs to unwind.
Looky.
By the way, Arizona is really happy in the Phoenix.
Look, di ba, look?
So, ayan sila.
Yes, look.
Reklamo yan siya kasi nakakasama.
Okay.
This is that.
Yung palibot, grabe as in. Ayan na si Bella, nag-ask talaga sa akin na she wants to
This is so cool and happy.
to go swimming. I think this is the first swimming in the Paso that we are, or this is the second time. Because I believe that could be, yep, I think, yeah. So, this is the second time that we arrive in El Paso. Ayan, si Mami Ani. Siyempre, alam mo naman, tagabantay ng bata. Walang iba, di ba? Mami ulit. Si Mami ulit. Meron bang daddy? Wala. Ito yung duty ng mga ina. By the way, guys, continue for watching and don't forget to like and share. If you guys like it, this is our adventure. Mami ay ninyo. Di ba meron siyang little garden para siyang
You're so tall.
little garden. But anyway, I don't know why I get this. Oh yeah, by the way, this hotel or this place, they renovate some room to room. So they upgraded it. So I saw this guy.
Ayan, mag-video na lang tayo, no? Ano kayang filter ito?
Is it? How's that happen? Ayan, as mga nilagay in bugay ko no. Payat siya. Bugay? Pero mataba yan. At saka... Bakit ba kasi kailangan mong gusto magbugay-bugay? Kala nila yun. Ina ka na. Ina ka ng lahat. Napataka ka ba? Ba? Char. Ano bang gusto mo? You're old. Kita malabo. Ayan, continue tayo. Ayan, si Bella ayaw pa din. Naglalangoy pa rin. She don't want to get out in the water. So you have to watch her very carefully because she's the only one, you know, because of course it's morning, so nobody goes swimming, so just us.
Huh? I see it.
Yun naman talaga siya. Kahit naman ako, if I want to go swimming, I can, but the swimming pool, they open up around 10, but we have to leave or mag-check out kasi we decide that continue to driving to go to the restaurant because we still have 8 hours, so that 8 hours is still long ways to go to drive. It's a long drive. So we arrived in San Antonio, I think 2 o'clock. So anyway, it's good to be home. Alright, ayun naman si Mami Ainyo. Oh, nawala man. Hello. Kumusta ang lahat dyan? Taga San Antonio. Sakit sa mata.
Bella! Bella!
Ayan guys. Oh. Okay. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and don't forget to comment below. This is Inisit Adventure. Okay, see ya. O, diba? Ang ganda ng mga flowers. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung surroundings ng hotel. And by the way, after we check out in the hotel, we went to my kumari na it's been a decade.
Lucky.
But of course, we have communication through Facebook.
We are here.
Through messengers. So they let us to stay to their house and we have a good lunch. So thank you so much. And look,
Hello guys.
Friend, she has 2 dogs. Actually, she has 4 dogs. So the big dogs.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, Brian. Ayan yung inaanak niya si Bella. O, finally, nakita din sila, no? Kasi hindi naman talaga nila nakita si Bella.
Uy, ang ganda naman ng bahay nito.
Bisa. Ayan, pumasok na kami. Pero yung sila naman, paalis na din sila sa El Paso. Alam mo yung mga military life. We have to move around.
Sila nagay mismo magluto.
Lamig din siya nga na ay ko ano bulag.
Because I've been there.
Tana.
So, kasi nga, paalis na din sila. Papuntang
Pakanon ko ni Maring rice at saka
move in there. Just, she said that
asa mo
they're
mga amiga pi pa ni Abi? Magyali na ba kay sila?
They're gonna retire here in San Antonio, by the way.
Dili na siya video, dili siya live ha.
Why Brian?
Ilan ni Brian?
Brian, if you gonna heard name Brian.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. Video na niya. Ariel sa
yeah, that's her name. Ayan, napapicture kami sa labas bago kami diba? But anyway, I met her, one of her friends na kalog din. Si Ina Rimundo. Ayan, hindi mawala ang ating mga memories at mga kaibigan. Even though everywhere we're going, we always have friends. Every state. Kaibigan niya si Ina Rimundo, Ina Anderson. Ayan, pa-picture agad. Napaka-friendly ko talaga. Hindi talaga mawala sa